Internet of Things enables control of millions of smart devices, from garage doors to light fixtures to thermostats, making it easy to monitor and control them from our phones, tablets, or laptops. The Industrial Internet of Things, or IIoT, applies the same protocol to optimize processes, control logistics, and prevent costly equipment failure. Using the sensors and data logging functions of the IIoT, Nexus modules reveal the STEM principles that drive this new wave of interconnection. Educators use Nexus modules to achieve outcomes in critical thinking, numeracy, and scientific inquiry, while introducing students to the IIoT and creative engineering product design. Nexus modules are free, easy to implement, and suitable for remote or in-person learning. They are matched to the next generation science standards and to the Common Career Technical Core. Short, on-demand tutorials show you how to use modules with your learners. Real-time support is also available. To learn more about using Nexus with your students or to hear about training opportunities for instructors, contact Nexus at mccneb.edu.